Hello, as promised here, this is the landing of the Mavic 2 that launched off the replica Endeavour. What you're seeing is the raw footage. I'll post some smoother footage next week of the tall ship at anchor. Here though, in this shot, we're in open waters off the coast of New Zealand and I'm on the way back in, and you'll notice that the bark Endeavour is almost under full sail. So luckily the wind wasn't too strong, but it was still a challenge to catch up with the ship. After crossing over the ship to the port side, where I was standing, I decided the best way to land was to catch up to the ship and to come in low and then go in sideways, and then attempt to catch the drone. The aim was to avoid hitting one of the 180 ropes or the sails or any of the crew, particularly not the captain if it can be helped. It sounds easy when I say it like that, so things didn't quite go to plan. Instead, the ship lurched at the last second and I missed the catch. So my spotter chased the drone down the deck as it skimmed over the deck. I barely missed hitting several ropes and a few crew. In the end, the drone got wedged somehow and I ran up and pressed it to the ground from the top whilst the props cut into my hand. Thanks for watching. I'll post some more tall ship droning soon, so don't forget to subscribe to see the footage. Right now though, you might like to go back in time and see the launch.